Okay, guys, so welcome back to another lesson of today. So very quickly, uh I'm going to show you most of the licks, okay? Most of the licks I use in my improvisation. Most of the licks I use. So you're just going to practice them and start using them whenever you're improvising as well. Okay, very quickly. So make sure you pick up your guitar and make sure your guitar is on the standard tuning. Okay. Okay, make sure your guitar is on the standard tuning. That's number one. Number two, make sure you're having maybe like a song or any metronome you're going to learn this on. Okay. So before then, if you know that is the first time you're coming across my video, do well to hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this. Okay. And if you want a one-on-one class with me, do well to chat me on WhatsApp with the number on the screen there. I'm going to respond to you. Please, it's not a free class, it's a payable class. Okay. Alright, so without wasting much of time, let's move straight into the video. Alright, welcome back. So we're gonna be doing the lesson in the key of C. It's a key of C. Okay, so these are the licks I normally use when I'm improvising, which I will want you guys to learn it as well. So on this shape now, this is Do. Or you can play it like this. Okay, so now this is what I want to show you. Most of the time when I'm playing a chord progression like okay, that's 1 5 4 5. Okay, I like using scales like this from my second interval, which is the Re. Now this is Re Do Ti. Okay, Re Do Ti. Now I'm actually going to my 5 chord, which is the saw. Okay, now then I played another another interval. Now going to my 4 chord now. Okay, the saw La means 4 chord. Okay, there to my 5 chord again. Okay, so then and I play the same thing again. Re mi va mi re do ti la ti. Okay, now let me break it down for you to understand. At first I started from the Re mi va mi re do ti la, so va mi re do ti. Okay. Okay, without me hitting the note, I can play saw chord in that space. Okay. I play again another interval. Re mi va mi re do ti la, so la. Now coming to the va. That's like playing the va chord. Okay. Okay. Okay, this time around I climb up to the fifth string and start playing. Re mi fa mi re do ti la so la ti. That's just like coming back to the sub chord. Okay, so if you have a progression like that going on, you can improvise licks like that. You're gonna sound better and sounds cool. Okay, so wherever you don't understand, get back to me. I'm gonna give you the reply as soon as possible. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye.